My name is Aaron Robertson, and I am a brand identity consultant out of San Diego, California. What can I say about Freelancing Freedom? It's a great course. I mean, that's the short answer. The long answer is it's going to give you the confidence you need to price yourself accordingly, honestly. Whenever I first found Brad Hussey, I didn't really know about Freelancing Freedom, so I found him looking for a coding class. I'm a graphic designer, by trade, and I thought I needed to up my game by learning code, and he was the only guy that could teach it to me without me falling asleep at the computer. So whenever he came out with this freelancing course, I was very intrigued because I was struggling a lot with just running my freelancing business. I have a unique schedule, and so Fridays I'm able to freelance from home, and I was really needing like some kind of guidance or help or something, to help me with figuring out this whole freelancing thing. And for the most part, I had an idea of what to do. I knew that I needed to price myself accordingly and to, price myself, what I'm worth and everything like that. But man, I was really struggling in the like self-confidence department, everything. And after months and months and months of just like watching all of Brad's free stuff, I finally decided to take the leap and invest in the course. And I literally, after watching his segment on mindset and everything like that, I landed the largest paying freelance gig I had ever had. And it was all worth it, honestly, because I have a great relationship with that client now, and I know that my services are worth paying for. There's a lot of other things that are just chock full into this course, and he's redoing the course, so it's going to be even better. I know it is. I've already started it, and I've already started questioning some things about my own business and about the way I handle things. But if you're on the fence, let me offer you a little bit of advice. Here's what you should do. Keep watching Brad's stuff on YouTube and his office hours and stuff like that. Get acquainted with him. Ask him questions. Like, literally, this guy's the only dude that does live stuff that I know of. Everybody else pre-records their things and says that they're live, but they're not really live. Brad is live. He talks to you live. If you have questions about the course, ask him, because he's super awesome about getting back to you. And honestly, I can say that he's become a mentor of mine because I am hitting him up all the time, asking him questions, saying, hey, what about this? What about that? What if we do this? I'm always asking him questions on Office Hours Live, and he's always getting back to me. I have never had an unanswered question from Brad. Sorry if there's like airplanes or whatever. I'm in a fly zone, I guess. But anyway, after that, if you're still on the fence, think of it like this. If you invest in his course, you pay the fee to get in the course, be a part of the community, and you don't succeed in what you're hoping to succeed in, he is already promised a refund or a guarantee that he'll help you out. So like, you really have nothing to lose, and you have a lot to gain, honestly. So, and if you do things right and things work out for you, you'll way more than pay for the course. I know I did. I don't want to sound infomercially, but I owe a lot of my confidence in myself as a freelancer to Brad, and to a couple of other things too, but Brad was a main proponent in that. And I want that for all the other creatives and freelancers out there, because I know that in the design industry, it's really hard to gain confidence in yourself, because it's so often that the design industry isn't very isn't thought of as a expensive industry, I guess, to some. Some people think of it as just an expense and not an investment. But you are an investment. If you're creative, you are an investment. If you're freelancing, you're offering awesome services and awesome things to your clients, you're an investment. So I say take the course, gain the experience that Brad has to offer you, and build on it, you know? Get that mindset in the right area and go for it. He really helped me. And I don't do these things very often. Actually, I don't do these things. I don't make video tutorials, but not tutorials, sorry. Video testimonials, there you go. I used the wrong word. You can edit that portion out. Anyway, I don't do video testimonials at all, but Brad is definitely deserving of it. He's a great teacher. He's an awesome mentor, and he's like the best thing you could have in your freelancing corner, I guess you could say. Anyway, I've rambled on for almost 6 minutes now. If you haven't made a decision by now, then you know, just watch more Brad stuff. You know, it's worth it, man. I mean, there's nothing else I can say. It's a no-brainer. Anyway, hope everything, hope this testimonial helps. I hope it helps anyone looking to level up in their freelance. Brad's the #1 guy to go to. I've seen a whole bunch of other people. Brad's unique and he's genuine. And that's what you want. That's what you want in a mentor, a friend, and a teacher. Anyway, thanks Brad for everything. And what else can I say? Not much. I think I said it all. Get freelancing freedom. It'll change your life.